So this is the first example in lab, lab 6, which is create. So this code um, names a file which will be opened or created, and then this code stores the file handle, and this move acts at data is sets up ds to be equal, and this one is data seg to the data segment, and this move dx offset file name, put offset of file name in dx, and this x or cx clear cx to make an ordinary file, and this move ah3ch, the function 3h creates a file, and in 21h calls dos service. If there's an error, it will jump to create error, and it will um, terminate the program.